All right, what up, guys? It's your girl ManicMeeks, and I am back with more Chainsaw Man. Listen, I missed you guys. I'm gonna say it in every single video the entire time. This is my temporary setup. You're gonna hear some echoes. It is what it is. I just moved into my house. I had a lot of things happen, and most importantly, as you can hear the voice, I got sick. I don't mean like I got a little sick. I didn't get COVID. I didn't catch COVID, but I am currently dealing with a double ear infection and a sinus infection. Delicious. But before we get into anything that's going on right now, if you're enjoying anything on my channel, reviews, reactions, whatever I got going on, go ahead and subscribe. I'm here to speak at the down below description box. My Patreon is patreon.com/ManicMeeks. Over there, full length version of my reactions, so to be clear, and selected access series, and also from my chapters, teachers, cities, mugs, all types of things. Rental designs, I support monetarily. Those dropping on my Patreon, I got merch shop, you know, support monetarily, support free entirely. How you may ask subscribe? Why? Biatch, it's free. It costs $0 subscription, but no notification bell, be notified when it's free. And also the gaming channel, which I'm getting ready to start. God of War. I finally set up my PlayStation, but I forgot. I forgot about the stupidity of PlayStation, where you have to have an extra cord in order to record the sound. That's, you want to hear me gripe about PlayStation, supposedly the best console in the world, and you have to have an extra piece to get fucking sound. Yeah, yeah. But, I will be starting that soon on my gaming channel. Interested in that, it's going to be on ManicMeeks Gaming. And listen, Chainsaw Man. The last time we left off, Denji was being acclimated to Makima's rules, per se. She wants answers in yeses or wolves, no nos, because people who belong to her don't say no. That's yucky. And Denji is pretty much okay with that. You want to know why? Because he's had a hard life, and he's just looking forward to somebody to take care of him. He wants boobies, he wants breasties, he wants sexies, he wants a lot of things that I don't know if he's going to get that. I don't know. But I can tell you that I'm glad he's having a bit of levity right now. A little relaxation, a little non-stressed, if you will. But what else did he do? He went to the actual headquarters where they were supposed to be working. He met his other teammate, which I can't remember his name right now because it's so long ago. And I think he was like a team leader. And the team leader was like, okay, yeah, I'll show him around. Took him outside, beat his ass real quick, and was like, listen, if you're not in it to win it, don't come around here, okay? We're looking for people who are dedicated to the job, and all you want to do is sleep with Makima. He was like, yeah, so your point would be... And my thing is, the cigarette on him, no big deal. But you ain't finna spit on me. You want me to go all out and beat your ass? Spit on me. I will make sure you have no teeth. Oh God, I'm gonna use my foot. Okay? But you know what Denji did? Denji used his foot as well. Right in his nuts. He A-Town stomped on his nuts. He was like, when I fight people, I just go directly for the nuts. I don't have time for it. You know what I'm saying? I got things to do. I got places to be. I had debts to pay off, so I couldn't waste my time fighting nobody in the streets. The first thing I did was to bust you in your nuts. So he just hit him repeatedly in the nuts. I mean, I'm surprised this dude's nuts still work because he smunched and bunched him. It was crunch a buncha that was happening. And then he brought him back and he said, like, yeah, he got attacked by a nut stomping enemy and he just didn't know what was going on. You know, wow. But not only are they like on the same team, he's also living with him in his apartment and making a fucking mess. Oh my gosh. But then again, he's never had nothing. You know, he's never had anything. So I understand him being like all over the place, but you're not about to come in my house and mess my house up. You're just not. Okay? No. We're not gonna have that. So we'll just see. And he also took him on one of his first cases where he got to see what a fiend was and how you could always tell a fiend from any other person. So they're not gonna be like hiding in plain sight. But yeah, so you either have to do it quick. And he was like, I want to see what you can do. Why don't you show me what you can do? You try to get him turned to Chainsaw Man. Well, Chainsaw Man makes everything a mess. So I understand him not wanting to do that there. Like, bro, come on. There's stuff here that I want to keep, like these porno max. I need these. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, hold on. A Gabby dollhouse. Mm-mm. So he's just trying to figure out exactly how to do the things he needs to do without destroying stuff around him. So he got those pointer mags and he was like, he told me that I need a mission. I need a mission. I need a mission. I got me a mission. My mission is to get cheeks. All right. I want teats and cheeks. That's what I want. And then we also, towards the end of the episode, met Power. She is a fiend that is also on the team, made a rhyme. And so, I don't know why those two, her and Denji are working together, because I feel like Denji don't know enough to be having anyone else but a team lead with him. You know what I'm saying? But that's neither here nor there. So they're wandering around, and she's like, "I want to fight some people. Supply me with some fiends to fuck up. Supply me." And he was like, "Well, I don't know how I'm supposed to find these people." And she was like, "Well, maybe they're just running because, you know, I'm such a high level fiend, and you know my power is everywhere. My name's Power." But then she gets a hint, runs off into the building. I don't know how she manifests this blood hammer, but the blood hammer pops out of her wrist and she smashes that devil sea cucumber and made a splatty Miss Splatterson. And that's where we ended the episode. So on that note, let's go ahead and jump into episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. What's this called? Meowie's Whereabouts. Okay. She did that. Chunks. Oh my gosh, not a fake ass liar. She's just sitting there before she gets up. Oh. Why are we focused on her booty? Why is she so scared of her? What do those eyes do? She do something. Not him looking at her boobs. Come on, dog. I just, you know, it's not questions. Uh-huh. Bruh. Bruh. You're not gonna understand that one. He just wants titties. It's a deal. You gave him motivation. I can't stand him. I can't stand him. I can't stand him. Who has the cat, though? How are they gonna find out the cat? Is the cat actually a cat, or is it something else? No, no, no. I mean, like, he's literally my heart. Like, he's literally my heart. Me. She. It. I. Me. I mean, he was. He was friends with one. Pochito! I just want to know where this is going. I just want to know. Is a cat a cat? A bunch of. I'm not telling the joke, though. Okay. Uh. What? You trying to kill him? What's this really about a cat? What's going on? Um. Is Maui a real thing? Y'all, sir, this flashback is letting us know how important the cat is. So you just gonna eat her cat? 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 Okay, cool, 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 cool. She finna get her cat back? Is she about to come out your chest? You're gonna be like, whoop. Eyes roll back. No. Come on. Come on. You're a sweetheart. So they about to come through the ceiling? What's gonna happen? Ma'am, just go. Ma'am, just leave. Ma'am. Ma'am, just leave. Ma'am, leave. I'm not watching that. That shit falls behind me. I'm running. I am gone. The whole city. Oh my gosh. I don't understand why you're standing there. Like, go. Why? Why y'all looking? Sir, why are you, why? What the fuck? What about the destruction of the properties of the teas that proper? I mean, you're okay. Oh, never mind. Now you're not. He about to eat you. Bro, he's a devil just like you. How are you still alive? Come on, look at his fingers. Giving me Deku. Season, what, 3, 4? For the love of titties, for the love of titties, for the love of titties, for the love of titties. It's just so strange having them and then seeing people lose their shit over them. Like, these things are heavy, okay? These things are hefty, all right? My back hurts. Yep, right up. Mm-hmm. And Power's just chilling inside his stomach trying to get her cat. That's probably dead. Get him in the eyeball. Right in the eye. Right in the eye. Ooh. Come on. Where's Power? I know she's not dead. I know she's not dead. She's just in there with her cat. And I know there's a new intro or new outro every single time. I don't know if they're all based on movies, but this is so cool. I love it. I love it so much. Hold on, we're gonna hit the pause immediately because we're definitely watching the other episode in this video. We're gonna do 1, 2 first. We're gonna do some 2 first. Some 2 first. As I choke. I cut that out. Okay. Listen. He was right. Don't trust the fiend. I mean, she was telling you the partial story. It was for a kitty. I mean, she was telling the truth in the fact that it was for a kitty. She was lying about needing assistance because she just needed a human, and she thought you were. Well, she knew he wasn't human, right? I guess if she didn't see it, she didn't believe it. Like, okay, you're just some human over here as my partner, so I'm just gonna throw you to the wind and get you smushed and munched from my Meowie. And then Meowie literally got ate, and she went in right after him. So I know for a fact she's not dead. I'm really worried about the cat though, because if the cat is dead, then what is she gonna do? But Dingy, when he turns into the Chainsaw Man, he's a problem. Like he's a problem. I thought that he was just I thought that he would unintentionally harm other people, but the way his chainsaws retracted when he was catching the car with the guy in it, I see what you did there. I see what you did there. So on that note, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the next episode, which is episode 4, Rescue. Cool. Okay. Okay, it's an axe that time. Why did it turn into a hammer? So she just drinks blood. But does all demons drink blood? You love Meowie. Okay, look at that. They're so good. They're so good. In the middle of intestines, by the way. Gimme. I want to squeeze. Squeezing the boobs. I mean, it was the deal. It was a foolish reason. I agree. I agree. I mean, then she has money now. He can go pay for it. You may fondle the chest. Are you gonna fondle her chest? Are you gonna be like, no, I can't? Or are you gonna be like, hands in, face in? Nigga. Nigga, what the shit, bitch? He can't. The bat? I'm going to eat them in the cat. Yeah, they die. You gonna bite her? Or it? She? Come on. Look at this shit. Look at the animatiums. Look at the animations. Come on, look at him. Absolutely. Titties. Look, they got titties. God damn. It reminds me of the Muppet with the hair over his face. Why can't you eat that? That's blood, right? He needs to bite something, right? That thing. Oh my gosh. Bruh. I've got all the titties. It's my reason. It's my reason. You don't tell me what my reason is. Ooh. Can't you bite her? But there are levels to this shit. Go ahead and tell him. It's the titties for me. Why don't he just chew on the blood? Oh. Mm-hmm. 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 Ooh. Did you feed my man some blood? Thank you for the apple slices. Were they for you or for him? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Just know that I am owed some titties. Titties, please. Give me the appellates. What's the condition? I'm still touching titties. That can't be nothing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You're right. You're correct. No. Negative. Where's power? And the kitty. You're making friends. You lied. Him and his hair. Just cut it. It's like a pit bull tail. Just cut it. Like me putting a ponytail. Like me being like, I got a ponytail. Just cut it. Oh no, not making sure you look good before you knock on her door. Come in. Why is everybody so scared of her? I need to know. Gun flesh? What's gun flesh? Mm-hmm. They shown up dead. It's the rearranging of his nuts. Yes, you have, apparently. It's the nuts for me. His nuts went. And then it changes him. Why don't you just leave your hair down? Is that you? Why don't you just leave your hair down? Don't put it up in that little stupid ass ponytail. Little pit bull tail. Leave that shit down. Mm-hmm. I feel you. Kofefe. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Pour over coffee. Come on. Get your situation. Get your fancy drip coffee. Come on. Mm-hmm. God damn it. Him and that little thing. Just put it down. Look a fool. Mm-mm. I'm always doing extra. I want to make sure these bitches got some soap on them. Okay, peel the potatoes. I feel you. What's she making? Oh, curry. Okay. Nigga, what? Is that power? I bet you it's power. I bet you it's power. Open the door. How many rooms you got, Hayakawa? Hayaka? Hayaka? He is like, bitch, I just had my routine down with Denji. His ass is like, I mean, since you said so. He was like, I had my routine down, I had my coffee. We were making lunch. Like, what's for lunch? I'm making you some curry. Touch the titties. You remember that you're obese. Put him up! Ooh, Fondo. She's giving you permission. Consent is everything. Consent is everything. She's giving you a chance to touch these titties. Consent is everything. Butterfly. Butterfly for consent. Dance. Dance it for consent. Sir, just put your hands under there and squeeze real quick. Look at his face. Squeeze the titties. Mm-hmm. Okay, listen. Listen, they're doing these endings, all right? I'm not mad at it. It's not the the amazingness of Jujutsu Kaisen first ending, because that ending was something that nobody was expecting. It was so good. I was shooketh and shooketh and shooketh, and I enjoyed every ounce of it. You know what I'm saying? I enjoy that. But I like Power. I like her a lot. At first, I was like, bitch, what you up to? But now I understand that she was really doing this for the love of the kitty. And she really appreciated Kitty. But now I feel so bad for Hayaka. I gotta come up with a nickname here because I'm not gonna remember his name. But how many rooms does this man have if he can just have people live with him? You trying to tell me you got a 4-bedroom apartment by yourself? Not even complaining because I just 4-bedroom house by myself. Eventually, one day, there's some other people. My brother's here. My sister's coming. We're gonna be here together. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna have so much fun. But for right now, you know what I'm saying? I understand that. I understand a little bit, but I know he is stressed. And what's really funny is that him and Denji has gotten in a routine, you know? Like he was really enjoying his coffee by himself with his cigarettes. And he was like, let's prepare some lunch. We have a conversation. And then she literally breaks open the door and ruins all of that, puts all the tissue in the toilet. I can't be mad at her. I think she's a gem. She's a diamond in the rough, you know what I'm saying? She's a little polish. A little polish. It'll be great. But I want to know, why is everyone so terrified of Makima? Because it goes beyond her being in charge. What the fuck can she do? I'm excited. I enjoy the show. The animation is great. The story is great. The characters are really fun, really, I just like all of it. There's nothing I have seen that was just not for me yet, even all the juiciness. So on that note, guys, thanks for hanging with me, and hopefully I will catch you in the next one. Bye. I love. All right.